So take that down another level for us because you're describing the limitations of viewing AI as a technology that can make things essentially better, faster, and cheaper. And I think that's how most of us view technology in general. So you need to unpack this.
In my book Reshuffle, I make a distinction between thinking about the impact of technology at the level of tasks and activities, which is, you do a certain set of activities and run a certain set of workflows to create value as a business. You're bringing AI in to speed those things up. So that's the automation view of thinking about how you think about AI or technology in general. But if we look at, previous technology waves, and I take the example of the shipping container, I use that example because today, we are very obsessed with whether AI is good enough or not, whether AI is intelligent enough or not. My point is that even with its current capabilities, AI is massively underutilized because we are still thinking about speeding up things in the existing system. And that prevents us from seeing what's possible around the capabilities of AI. So if I very quickly just take us through, what happened with the shipping container, because it's an interesting parable to understand what's possible with AI today. When the shipping container was introduced, its first order effects were seen as automation because prior to that, we used to live in a world of break bulk cargo. You needed dock workers to go up and down a ship, moving cargo off and on a ship. And that lack of standardization made port operations slow. So when the shipping container was invented, people assumed that the port would get automated because cranes could move cargo on and off a ship. So the first order effects were certainly that of automating the task and making it better, faster, cheaper. And the first order impact of that was in the loss of the jobs of the dock workers. And that's where if you think about AI today, we're always thinking about that. What can AI do that a human is currently doing? And hence those jobs are going to get lost. And what are we doing right now, which we could do better, faster, cheaper? The story of the shipping container really plays out through the second and third order effects, because what happened next was that trucks, trains, and ships agreed on a common standard for the shipping container. And that totally unlocked logistics at a global scale, because now you could move shipment from source to destination completely seamlessly, and that made logistics reliable.